Hi, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new here. My name is Melanie, and today I am here to unbox the March 2026 Beauty Heroes box. Unfortunately, I did see a spoiler. I know that the brand is True Botanicals, and I believe that one of the products is their eye serum. So yes, I saw a spoiler, unfortunately, this time. But let's unbox it together and see what we got. When I found out it was True Botanicals, I was like really not that excited because I don't love this brand, and it's one of them that they just keep repeating over and over, which is like every year, which kind of sometimes is not my favorite. Unless it's a brand I love, then it's great. So anyways, it is what it is. So this is True Botanicals. The value is $290, and it looks like we're getting 3 products, which is cool. All right, so get a little packing tape. We will put it there. So we have these 3 products. And I will start with the Pure Radiance Supreme Eye Cream, which is the one that I knew we were getting. All right, so let's see if they're calling it the hero product. Let's see. All right, it is 14.5 milliliters and $95. It intelligently designed and deeply indulgent, this next generation eye treatment is engineered for visible firming, smoothing, and protecting. Featuring a patented delivery system for enhanced performance, it works across multiple layers of the delicate eye area to support elasticity, resilience, and long-term radiance. The cushiony texture feels immediately comforting yet weightless, melting seamlessly into skin. With continued use, eyes appear brighter, more lifted, and noticeably well-rested. This is eye care that delivers visible refinement and renewed confidence where it matters most. And the featured ingredients are hydroxysomes adenosine, which is a patented delivery for firmer, lifted-looking eyes. It has PGA, which is polyglutamic acid, deep hydration, moisture retention, cushiony smoothness, omega-rich organic seed oils, nourish, fortify barrier, enhance softness and glow, and calcium complex, which enables targeted penetration across multiple skin layers. Looks like it has a little cute tool with it, which is a little fun side thing. Aw, that's nice. I love that little touch. Cool. Gently massage around entire eye area both morning and night. It's funny that they don't even mention the little tool in this write-up because I think that's so cute. Just like a nice little added bonus. And it's like you can go like that with it and do your little eye products. It's nice and cold. Right? That's like so cute. Okay, let's see about this. I'm gonna put some on. I just showered. And I put on some foundation, some eyeliner, mascara, a little blush, and a little highlighter. Right now I just look flush though because getting out of the shower. But anyways, this is what the consistency looks like. It has like I think it has a scent to it. It's hard to say because I had a scented like lotion on that I put on after my shower. But it's nice. It's nice and creamy. So that is cool. All right, absorbs in well. And now I will look 10 years younger, I'm sure. Instantly. Excuse me. Okay, let's talk about, and this is cute. Fun. I'll enjoy that little cutie pie. I have to keep it away from my kids because they'll probably think it's adorable as well. So I like to hide my nice beauty products from them. Okay, next up we have the Chibula Multi-Corrective Eye Patches. I swear I already have this from them, which I thought it was a Beauty Heroes box in the past. I do have some eye patches like that. I don't remember to use them often. I'm pretty sure I have this exact thing though. I'm not going to open it up because I haven't opened one. Let's see. It says 25 sets for $75. Designed for moments when eyes need an instant reset, these targeted patches deliver visible results fast. The cooling hydrogel hugs the under eye area, releasing a surge of hydration that smooths, firms, and visibly revives tired skin in just 15 minutes. Puffiness softens, tone looks more even, and the eye area appears refreshed and awake. Clinically proven and formulated with Chibula, a powerful antioxidant revered for its age-supporting benefits, these biodegradable patches turn under-eye care into a quick, luxurious ritual with immediate payoff. Okay, so the featured ingredients are Chibula, which targets fine lines, uneven tone, and dark spots. Sodium hyaluronate, which deeply hydrates and plumps. Green coffee seed extract and caffeine, which depuffs and revitalizes. And aloe, which soothes and calms delicate skin. I would have to look at previous boxes and the previous write-ups to see, but I know that I have eye patches, and I'm like 99% sure it's from this brand, and it's been part of a Beauty Heroes box, but it doesn't say that. So we'll have to see if my memory is correct or not. Like, again, I have one open in my bathroom, so I don't want to open up this one. So I'm going to just leave that for now. Let me grab mine and see if it's the same one. So hold on. Okay, so I was right. I do have this exact product. I do think it was in a Beauty Heroes box in the past. So I can show you my open ones, but I can't dip it too much because the liquid in there would spill. So let me see if I can. I have a bad luck with showing people these things, like things with liquid in them, and it all pours out. So hopefully you can kind of see it's in like liquid in there. And I'll pull one out. They're like little gel eye patches, and they look like that. And yeah, that's them. So I really better get on using the ones I have, because now I have a whole other thing of them. Very interesting, if I am correct that it came in a previous box, why they're doing the exact same product again. I would have to read some of like the stuff on Instagram or something to see what they're saying about this box. But anyways, let's go to the final product, which is the True Botanicals Pure Radiance Oil. There's the box. Let's see. It says it's 30 milliliters worth $120. A sumptuous treatment designed to make every other face oil feel optional. This nutrient-dense blend of omega-rich seed oils, algae extracts, and astaxanthin floods skin with lipids that soften fine lines, boost suppleness, and leave the complexion visibly plumped and radiant. The texture is silken and fast-absorbing, rich yet impossibly light, finished with a polished, dewy glow. Scented with functional and luxurious jasmine, neroli, and rose, it turns daily skincare into a moment of pure indulgence for luminous, resilient, nourished skin. Looks like that. The featured ingredients are algae extract, which boosts moisture retention and skin resilience. Astaxanthin, which is a powerful antioxidant for visible radiance. Chia seed oil, omega-rich nourishment for supple skin. And passion fruit seed oil, lightweight moisture with smoothing benefits. I have to see if my hand does kind of smell, excuse me, like my lotion. So it'll be a little bit tough to, it's that color. We'll see if we can get a little, not taste of it, but you know, smell of it, feel for it. That's like, whoa, okay. It started moving faster than I thought. So it's a face oil. Oh yeah, it has a pleasant scent. My first impression of it is it's a pleasant smell. Nice oil. I like it. Smells good. Absorbs right in, so that's cool. So that's nice. I love face oils. So yeah, like I said at the beginning, I am not too excited by True Botanicals, but they're not one of my favorites. There are some of their products I've liked, but I couldn't like name any off the top of my head really, I don't think, that really stand out to me. But I have like some of them I've been kind of like apathetic about. But I am going to try to put some more effort into using the eye patches, since now I have two groups of them, an old and a new. And I will try out this eye cream this month, and I will try out this face oil. So that is the True Botanicals March 2026 box. And please give the video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, found it helpful. Click the subscribe button so you'll be alerted for when the next video comes out. I do want to do my Project Panda update for January and February. And I do want to do some more videos of like a retrospective of Beauty Heroes. I've done them before where I've gone over the whole year's worth of boxes, and I'm a few years behind. So it'd be kind of fun to do like at least 1 year or like a few years of them, maybe. I don't know. And I also haven't been giving my like end of the month reviews on these boxes. So there's things I want to do, and I hope that I'll be able to produce some more videos in the month of March. But again, I thank you for watching and would love to chat with you in the comments below what you think of True Botanicals. If you're getting this box, just your thoughts in general. I hope you're doing well, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye.